Question. So, in the last session, we completed about the intervlan routing, and we know that there is three flavor of intervlan routing. That is the first of legacy mode, second is the router on ASP, third is the our what SVI. SVI to establish the communications between, like, SVI is also a same SVI is also for the same use. But the thing is, to configure SVI, we require a multi-layer switch, like switch which is having capability of L2 and L3 as well. Okay, L3 services as well. So SBI topology, understand little bit, just understand this is the L3 switch. Okay, and we have a partition 0 by 1, 0 by 1, and 0 by 2. Both are having both are a part of different VLANs and different subnets. Okay, like 10.1 and 20.1 means different network. This is a picture of the multi-layer switch. This switch has routing capabilities. I can configure something called SVI, switch virtual interface, for each VLAN, and I put an IP address on it. This IP address can be used for computers as their default gateway. Here is how to configure it. Okay, so the configuration is nothing but you just need to enable the IP routing, because by default routing is disabled in the multi-layer switch. So by using this command, by command of IP routing, we can enable the routing. After that, we need to create interface VLAN 10. Okay, we need to create interface VLAN 10. That is not a physical interface. Remember, we need to create a virtual interface based on the our VLANs. Okay, interface VLAN 1, 2, 3, whatever you can use. Okay, after that, and the same way, like physical interface, we are keeping it a no shutdown. In the same type, we need to do the no shutdown command into this logical interfaces also. After that, we need to assign 192.168.10 dot any IP you can with the gateway. Okay, this will be the gateway, and we have a interface VLAN 20 no shutdown, and we need to assign the gateway. Okay, nothing more than that. So
Okay, sir.
this is our multi-layer switch. Okay, you can get it here in the router, and there is switches. Here, these are the multi-layer switches. From here, you can use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let me delete this first. Okay. So let me assign the IP address. This is the for IP address the 10.2 and 10.3. I think 20.10.3. 10. What is the IP? 10.2 and 10.3. Okay. 10.2 and 10.3. And here 20.3 in 20.2 and 20.3. Okay. This is the 20.2 and 20.3 IP. Let
Yes.
the same thing we need to configure. Okay, now this there is a no power on. If I go to the CLI, it will ask you to make the power on. So for that we have some, in L3 switches, we need to establish the SMPS. Okay, like multiple SMPS also we need to create for the one. If one SMPS is goes down, the it will continue with the second SMPS. Okay, like redundancy. Okay, na?
Okay.
So we need
Okay.
to drag and drop here and go to the CLI. Let it restart. So generally, switch in SVI only we are using. Okay, nowadays.
Okay. Yes, please.
Okay, so the switch this is up. Okay, no, enable, and both the interface. What are the interface number? 0 by gigabit, 0 by 1 by 0 by 1, 1 by 0 by 2 will become a part of VLAN 10, and this will be the part of 0 by 3 is the 0 by 3 and 0 by 4 will become part of our VLAN 20. Okay.
Yes.
Configuration terminal interface range gigabit 1 by 0 by 1 interface 1 by 0 by 1 interface range 1 by 0 by 1 to 1 by 0 1 by 1 to switch port mode access VLAN 10. Okay. In the same way, interface range 7 gigabit 1 by 0 by 3 to 4 to support mode access, to support access VLAN 20. Oh, not VLAN 120, that is a VLAN 20. Okay, we create it. VLAN brief. So VLAN brief, we'll get to know how many VLANs are there. So VLAN 10 and 20 we created, and this is already a part of VLAN 10 and 20. Okay, we called it right. 0 by 1 and 0 by 2 will become a part of VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Got it? So now we need to create one interface, VLAN 10, okay? Configuration terminal, do so IP interface brief. Let me show you the interface first. So that is nothing like VLAN 10, VLAN 20, only VLAN 1 is there, rest are the physical interface, correct? So now we need to create interface, VLAN 10, okay? Created, line protocol interface VLAN 10, change the to no IP address, okay? And no shutdown. No shutdown, okay? And IP address. IP address will be 10.0.0.1, 255.0.0.0, okay? Then encapsulation. What is the command? Encapsulation. We have a IP address, interface, IP routing. We need to do IP routing, no shutdown, and we need to do anything, okay? So multi-layer switch. This is our switch, okay? So no shutdown not required. Okay, exit interface VLAN 20, okay? IP address 20.0.0.1 to 55.0.0.0. Okay. So VLAN brief. So VLAN already. So IP interface brief. So how many more interface we created? VLAN 10 we created and VLAN 20 we created, and both are up now, right? Let wait a minute. Control F6. That's the reason we are running one command, right? No IP domain lookup command. And by mistake if you hit anything, correct?
Yes, sir. No, look.
No IP domain lookup is required.
Here, 20.0.0.2 is a
Gateway.
PCIP, sir. Yeah, this is
We
the
can use the
PCIP.
gateway also. We can use
Okay.
the gateway. Okay.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I can change the gateway for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
20.0.0.0.3. It is not 20.0.0.0.3. Whatever. 20.0.0.10, let's suppose. Okay. And 20.0.0.0.2 we can keep as
Yeah.
a gateway. Here also we can keep as a 20.20.4, 20.20 we can keep 20.0.0.20 and 20.0.0.2.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now if you check 20.1, 20.10 and 20.20. Here this side we have a 10.g, 10.2 and 10.2. Okay. So back now. So no IP domain lookup. In case of anything wrong, it will not ask to wait us. Okay. So
Okay.
IP route. So IP route. So IP route. The configuration terminal that routing is already enabled here. So we can do what? We can ping from here to there. Ping 20.0.0.1 first. There is no 20.1, that is a 20.2. So we are able to reach the gateway, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And after that, we can reach to the 20.10 also. Some packet will drop, right? We are able to reach from 10 to 20.
Yes.
So this is the way how you're going to configure the SDI switch virtual interface. So in the switch virtual interface, this switch, we are not what we call, we need to create one we created one VLAN, and the VLAN will become the part of that. And particular VLAN, we are assigning the IP address into the VLAN, okay, right? Earlier, what? We are not assigned IP address into the VLAN. We just kept particular pieces or group of pieces into the this particular VLANs. Okay. After that, we are using with the help of router, we are assigning IP address, right? per,
Yes, sir.
per interface, but not into the VLAN. So here we'll create a VLAN, and after that we need to create a one what we need what we call that is called as a VLAN interface. Okay, so there is some commands in so IPR so IPARP. So IPARP means we have a 10.1. This is the VLAN 10, and this is the VLAN 10.2 is the big in the VLAN 10. Okay, and
Okay.
20.2 is the VLAN 20, VLAN 20, VLAN 20. Okay, yeah, ARP means that is the hardware address. Hardware address is nothing but is the MAC address of particular interface, which particular device which we have like 10.1. We created one VLAN, right? VLAN 10.
Yes, sir.
Every VLAN is having one uh, what what we call make address. So again we have one more. Again we are having one more command. So interface. This command is there. Okay, that we need to do here. Configuration terminal. Rest here. So interface VLAN 10. This is the command and include BIA means show me the interface VLAN's make address. Okay.
Okay.
So interface VLAN 10. Exit and paste here. So it is telling that 901. Okay, it is showing that hardware is CPU interface address is 00D0901 PIA 00801901. So this is the MAC address of VLAN 10 interface VLAN 10. Okay, here also it is
Okay.
showing 901. Okay, so every VLAN, whenever you're creating any VLAN interface, they should have a they must have a one interface. Okay, every interface is having a MAC address. Got it? So this is the
Yes.
way how you're going to create an interVLAN. So today we got to know how to configure what is the VLAN. Okay, that is done. How to configure the interVLAN, that is also done. Tomorrow we can go with the VFHRP, and after tomorrow we can understand the STP. And before that, I'll show you about the DTP also. Okay, tomorrow I'll first we'll do about the DTP.
Okay.
DTP. Okay,
Okay, sir.
later we can. Okay, Hussein, take care. Good night.
Yes, sir.